Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change alarm background on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first thing first, we need to open our clock application. And after we have this clock application opened, we can go to the setting, click on the three dots, and then you have to open the setting. And here you have to go to the alarm background section or alarm background menu. Okay, and as you can see guys, I'm using the default background on my alarm, and I'm going to change it. If we want to change it, we can go to the background menu, and here we can choose the background from Samsung Galaxy phone, or you can also select a photo from your device or your gallery. You just need to open your gallery, and then you can choose a photo you want to make it as your background. And I'm just going to use this photo, for example. Okay, then once you're done, you just need to click on done, and the alarm background will be changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change alarm background on the Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.